All right, y'all, in this video, I'm gonna teach you how to discover your ideal weight if you are currently overweight. So check this out. So what you can do is go to Google and type in body fat percentage chart and compare yourself to the images that you see according to your body type. So when I was 213 pounds, I was roughly around 25% body fat, maybe around 27. It was hard to admit, but I was a little bit more than 25%. But what you do is you take that number where you think you are, 25 or 20 or even 30%, and then you do a little bit of math and you calculate how much you should weigh. And this is what you can do. All right, now that we looked at the body fat percentage chart, what I want you to do is take your current weight and then we're gonna divide that by the number that you just found, such as your body fat percentage number. So let's just say like when I weighed 213 pounds, and I was 27% body fat. So what you do is take your number that you currently weigh, times that by what you saw in the chart. So I was just above 25% body fat and I said 27. So we're gonna take your current weight, times that by 0.27, which is the body fat percentage, and then you press equal. And then this means that I have 57 pounds of fat that I need to lose. Now, this is not a completely accurate number, like without going to a doctor and having, a series of tests to measure every fat molecule in your body. But this will tell you there's roughly 57 pounds of fat that you have to lose. So 213, you take your current weight again, minus 57, and then the number is 156 pounds. So your ideal weight is 156 pounds in this scenario. So let's just say you currently weigh 180 pounds. And then you think you have a 20% body fat percentage. So take your current weight, times that by 0.20, 36 pounds to lose. So that's telling you how much you need to lose. So then you take your 180, minus 36, your ideal weight is around 144 pounds. So this is just a general way to figure out how much you should weigh and how much you should lose. But your diet is gonna be based around your ideal weight though. So that's what we're gonna be talking about also, is like this, creating a diet plan around how much you should weigh. Because if you wanna weigh 144 pounds, you gotta eat the way a 144 pound person eats. So again, like if you want to weigh 150 pounds, you got to eat the way a 150 pound person eats. Or if you want to weigh 120 or 180, wherever you ideally should weigh, you got to eat for that amount. So let's do one more example. Let's just say you weigh 250 pounds and then you are at a 30% body fat. So take your weight, times that by 0.30. That's 75 pounds to lose. So then you take 250, your current weight, and then you minus 75. And so you should weigh 175 pounds. So in my next videos, I'm gonna tell you how to plug in these numbers. So let's just say you want to weigh 180 pounds. That was the ideal. So then I'll explain this in the next videos, but what we're gonna do is take your ideal weight and then we're gonna plug in the proteins for it. So you're gonna take in 180 grams of protein, because we're doing 1 gram of protein for your weight, which you want to weigh. So we're going to be dividing that in half, and that's how many carbs you're going to get. And then you're going to divide that by a third, which is 60, and that's how many fats you're going to get. So I'm going to explain this in the next videos, but this is how you discover your diet plan and your ideal weight and what you should weigh. So go to Google or use the image I just showed you, see what body fat percentage you are, and then just do the math. And so just figure it out. So back when I weighed 213 pounds again, how do I get rid of this? 213, and then I was around 27% body fat, 0.27. I had 57 pounds to lose. So take that 213 minus 57. And my ideal weight is around 156. And you wanna know what? When I weigh 155, 156, I've been down to 152. I can see my abs. So this is where you want to get down to see your abs. So that's the whole point of this video, is to get you down to your ideal weight, to discover your ideal weight. And I'm going to show you how to plug in these numbers in the next video.